Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. Today I have a decorate with me video. I'm gonna take you guys along as I style and decorate my dining room table for the summer. Now, I wanted to decorate this table for the spring, but the spring season has pretty much almost over, and it's almost summertime. So now I'm gonna finally get to it and try to style and dress my table for the season. And I'm gonna start off by adding these cute little decorative plates that I got from Home Goods. They were $4.99, and I love the beautiful silver and gold that it has in it. They're really cute little appetizer plates. I'm gonna be using this as an accent piece in my tablescape. The next thing that I purchased were these beautiful napkins and placemat set. You get 4 placemats and you get 4 napkins in there, and I love the beautiful white and gray that it has on there, and it was actually like $9.99 for the complete set. So I really do love that. Next, I'm going to be using these beautiful glasses that I bought from Ross stores. I bought these from Ross a while ago. They were $4.99 each, and I love just the elegant look and the glam look that it has to it. And this is actually kind of like a Z Gallery dupe. And then also I'm going to add these beautiful white plates that I got from I believe Home Goods, so maybe a couple of years ago. They were $3.99 a piece. I think I ended up getting them on sale, and I absolutely love that, and I thought that would be a good addition to my tablescape. So this is what the napkins look like when they all are out of the packet. They are very good quality. I love the color and the feel of it, and I thought it'd be kind of like a nice airy spring kind of look for my tablescape. And I wanted to do something that's light and bright. I'm all about the light and bright colors now because my table is so dark and everything. So I really wanted to make something that's light and bright and kind of like airy and just like spring and summertime feel. So I'm going to go ahead by starting by putting my placemats on my table like so. I'm not going to use any chargers because the square plates are very large and they are substantial on its own. So I'm not going to use any chargers with this tablescape. But these are the plates here added to my placemats, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. The next thing is I'm not going to use any napkin rings with this tablescape also, so I'm going to take my beautiful gray napkins and I'm just going to fold them lengthwise, like 3 folds lengthwise, and I'm just going to kind of tuck it underneath the plate like this. And I absolutely love the way it looks. I think it's nice and chic and elegant, and it just gives kind of like a timeless, classy look to it. Then next I'm going to go ahead and add my cute little appetizer plates that I bought from Home Goods. I absolutely love the style of these little appetizer plates or these little dessert plates, and I'm just going to add those on top of my napkins like so. And here's a close-up look of what the table place setting is looking like so far, and I'm absolutely loving it. And you can use chargers with your place setting, but for this particular place setting, I'm not going to use any chargers because, like I said, these plates are very large and they are substantial on their own. So I think it looks pretty nice without adding any chargers to it. Now next I did want to address the head seats at the table. So what I did was I'm going to use some light gray placemats that I had before, and then I'm going to use these white plates that I already had, and then I had these beautiful monogram napkins that have our last name, our initial of our last name on there, and I'm just going to add that to each head table. Because I thought that I was going to just do the 4-piece place setting, but I thought that it'll look really nice if I dressed it up and added some place settings to the head tables the head seats as well. And you don't have to have everything matchy. You can mix or match different looks and different styles, and I think that by me mixing and matching the round with the square, I think it gives it kind of a different classic look, and I like the way it turned out. And these monogram napkins, they have the black initial for our last name. There's in black ink, and then it has a little bit of gray lines at the bottom of the napkins, as well as the napkin is all white. And I bought those napkins from Home Goods on clearance, I believe for like $5.99 for like a pack of 6. And then the next thing I did was I went ahead and added my silverware. I just had this beautiful silver pieces that I got from an estate sale many years ago, and I just added that to my tablescape. And this is what it's looking like so far, you guys. And I absolutely am loving the way it's turning out. Okay, you guys, so this is how the place setting is looking so far, or the tablescape is looking so far, and I'm absolutely loving it. Now you can go ahead and just kind of leave it as is, or add some place cards or something like that there, but I think I'm going to add a little pop of color to try to add additional little springtime or summertime vibe to the to my dining room table as well. I wanted to add a pop of color to the tablescape as well. I wanted to kind of bring in my lavender and kind of purple color that I've been doing for the spring and the summer season. So I wanted to add that to this tablescape. So what I did was I just took these beautiful little artificial roses that I got from Amazon, and I just added one single rose inside of each place setting. And what I did was I took the stem and kind of bent this, folded the stem all the way down, so it kind of lays onto each place setting like a button, and I thought that was really cute. Now I'm going to be using this beautiful little crystal tray that I bought from Home Goods a long time ago, and I'm going to use that as the anchor to anchor my centerpiece. And for my centerpiece, I'm going to be using some fresh flowers. I love adding fresh flowers to my tablescapes when I get the chance, and when they're in season. I just think that it adds a nice, soft, elegant, and beautiful touch to any kind of tablescape, especially when it's the spring and the summer. So I'm going to be using these beautiful hydrangeas that I got from my local grocery store. And your local grocery store usually have some really good deals on florals. I got this bunch here for $9.99 at my local grocery store, and they are absolutely beautiful. I love the timeless look of hydrangeas. As you guys know, if you watched my previous video, I have decorated with the artificial ones, and they're just as beautiful as the real ones, but it's always nice to have nice, real, fresh flowers when you can. So that's what I'm going to be using here for my tablescape. And then when these are not any good anymore, I'm just going to add in some different flowers as well throughout the summer. So this is what the table is looking like so far, you guys, and I'm absolutely loving it. I'm loving the look of it and how everything is turning out. Okay, you guys, so lastly, I'm just going to go in and add these beautiful candle holders. These candle holders you guys have seen plenty of times. I bought these from, I believe, Burlington, and I just love the way they look. I love the unique shape of them, and I'm just going to add each one to each side of my hydrangeas, and I love the way it turned out. So you guys, that is it for my little decorate with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video brings you some home decor inspiration, and I hope it gives you some motivation to tackle some or to decorate some areas in your own home. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video as well. Share this video with somebody who you think may need somebody who you think may be looking for some home decor inspiration. And if you are not part of the family, I would love to have you. Please consider hitting that red subscribe button and clicking the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And to all of my beautiful and wonderful subscribers, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.